It's time for a three-stock dinner. We're tracking three of the day's biggest movers and digging deeper into how to play them. So joining me now is Ava Eidos, Chief Investment Strategist at ER Shares. Let's start with Tesla. That stock falling 5.8% today after the company's investor day. Ava, you own this stock, so what do you think?
We do own it, but it's an underweight. We like the fact that Tesla has increased their margins by 450% in the last 5 years, and at the same time, they increased their revenues by 50% for each of these years. Now, this is unprecedented for a publicly listed company of that size, but it is an underweight for us currently, and the reason is that it's high valuation. If you take the 7 key car manufacturers, you put them together, you add 50% to that, then you get the valuation of Tesla. And that valuation is only justified if we're speaking about an extraordinary company. If you're speaking about a good or average company, the valuation is not justified. And we all know it's not only about cars, it's much more. But once that margin between them and the average car manufacturing company shrinks, then they have a lot of downside potential. And I think yesterday they did not present themselves as an extraordinary company.
I love how you refer to Elon Musk there as a potentially distracted leader. I mean, that's maybe the polite way of putting it. Next up, Salesforce is notching its best day since 2020 after a big earnings beat and better than expected guidance. Ava, this is your #1 weighted stock. So what's your take on the quarter?
That's right. We've owned them for many years. We recently moved them to our #1. I think that's what helped us with our performance year to date. In the last 3 months, we're the top 1 fund when it comes to large cap funds. And so I like the company. We had activist investors come in. That's good news for us because the CEO compensation was elevated. So there will be additional oversight here. And I like the fact that their margins, their EBITDA margin increased by 8.5% from the last quarter. And we saw their earnings before tax increased by 4 to 5 times from the previous quarter. I think they're positioned for strong performance going forward.
And lastly, this one was a dramatic one today. Silvergate Capital plummeting almost 60% today after delaying its annual report. Ava, how would you approach this name given what we saw there today?
I'm not a fan of them. I think it's a troubled bank holding company. They're providing speculative bank services to crypto companies, and I think they're in the middle of a death spiral. Their survival is at risk. I think when you see even they are not certain about their survival, which means that we're seeing key customers now leaving them. We saw Coinbase leave them. And once you lose these customers, it's impossible or very tough to get them back. So I'm very concerned. We also saw a $1 billion twist. They went from having 75 million in profits to having 950 million in losses within a year. I think their future is at risk here.
Whenever you say the words death spiral, that's probably not a good sign. Ava, great stuff tonight. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.